Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. A very happy September to all of you, and I have a new collection from Madam Glam to show you guys. And this one is called Wanderlust, and this time the destination they have picked is Washington DC, the capital city of US, famous for being the center of the US government, its history and many important monuments. And this collection is totally like down to earth collection. You can see the colors, how earthy they look, and they are very gorgeous. They have some greens here, pinks here, browns, and all the earthy tones. I just love this collection. As you know, all Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula and palm oil free. You can use my 30% off coupon code whenever you make a purchase and save some money on their products. The gel polishes are amazing, guys. If you haven't tried it, you should definitely try Madam Glam products. Everything is mentioned in the description box below, the collection and their website. So now without any further delay, let's do the swatch party and see how pigmented and gorgeous these earthy tones are. So these are the final swatches, guys, and look at these colors. They are so gorgeous. They're so earthy. I really love the taupe color here, the peach color, and that green. Oh my god, I'm in love with these colors. They are so pigmented, and just 2 coats were totally enough, and really creamy formula. It's a great transition palette. Alright guys, so now I'll be showing you some nail art using the colors that I got in this collection. So the first one is called Walk in the Park, the beautiful green color. And the next one I'm gonna use Dreamer. It's like a nice dusty peach color. And I'm not using a white. I'll be using this Cottontail. I really love this cute soft white color. So I really like that. So I'll be using that. So here's the final design, guys, and I really like how it turned out. The colors look so great together and the abstract nails look so amazing. It's a great fall nail art design. So that is all for the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.